So Affinity just became free a few months ago. That means Photoshop just got a huge competitor. Get Affinity, $0 for free. We can download it for Mac OS or Windows, but no Linux, unfortunately. Okay, you need a Canva account. I'm skipping it. Start creating, I don't need no tutorials. Okay, let's make it 720p. Create. Okay, it actually looks pretty solid. I'm gonna make this video's thumbnail just like in the last video, which you should go watch. Okay, now, how do I create a new fill layer? How to add fill layer in Affinity. Go to layer menu, new fill layer, choose your fill type, okay. Layer. It's, oh wait, that's not it. Oh, it's in pixel. Let's select like fully black. Or Control J to duplicate it. Yeah, that looks good. Add a mask. Now hide this bit of black. That gives a nice vignette. It costs $0.00 a month. I'm going to change the font. We'll change the font to this. Okay, now let's add better than Photoshop. Yeah, that looks good. Now change the whole text's font. Now we need like a shocked face. Okay, this will be good. Now let's add the text. Okay, change the font. Let's add a shadow for this. FX, outer shadow. Let's make it like 20 maybe. The offset. Wait, let's make this 20 as well. And the offset 10. Okay, I think it's done. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to watch more stuff like this in the future, please like and subscribe, because I will be posting similar content in upcoming videos.